Hi! Welcome to our kitchen tale. Today, gagawa tayo ng chicken burger patties. Okay guys, ito ang ating ingredients. 1/4 kilo of ground chicken, 1 medium-sized onion shredded, 2 medium-sized potatoes shredded, 1 medium-sized carrot shredded. Okay, ngayon lalagay na natin ang ating mga ingredients. Then, let's add the eggs, 2 whole eggs. Then, let's add a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of ground pepper, then 2 spoonfuls of kikoman, 4 spoonfuls of oyster sauce, then let's mix the ingredients. Lastly, the 1/2 cup of flour, and then mix. Okay, ito na ngayon ang ating mixed ingredients. But don't forget, dapat titikman siya. Okay? Ngayon, ready na ang ating frying pan. Let's fry our patties. Okay, ito na ang ating finished product, our chicken burger patties. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.